Hello GreenSmart people. I promised to upload a video here for you to show you all the new colors that we have for the Food and Bev collection. So let's get going quickly and we'll make this really kind of fun. First let's talk about food, which is lunch. Lots of people are taking their lunch with them. So we've got three separate designs now for food, which is lunch. The number one design is called the Margay, and the Margay is actually this lunch box, but it's made out of Neogreene, our non-toxic neoprene replacement material. And a Margay, in case any of you are interested, is a tree ocelot, and it's a cat that's found in the rainforests of South and Central America. So it's an endangered species, hence the name of the product. But if we open this up, we see that it is, in fact, a lunch box. You can fit lots of stuff in there. It's very large. This is what we call our eggplant color combination. So that's the Margay, very cool looking. There's the package, let's see, like that. Kind of tough to see with all that glare. There you go, it's got an apple on the front. Then we move to this really cool product. This product is called the Sifaka. Sifaka is it's a medium-sized lemur found in Madagascar, another endangered species. Sorry, I don't know them, but there's so few of them left that I can't keep track of all the different species. Very cool in that it has actually two separate compartments here. So you have one on one side that you could keep hot things, and one on the other side to keep cold things. Very cool. This comes in 4 colors as well. Everything I'm showing you today comes in 4 colors. This would be what we call the tangerine color combination here. Looks like this. Very, very pretty. This one here, it's open, so I'll zip it closed. This one is what we would call the blue ice version. So again, soft walls, you can put all kinds of things in it. Wonderful products. The third lunch bag we have, we call the Javan. And the Javan is, because everybody wants to know, it's a rhino that can only be found in 2 areas of Southeast Asia. Of course, it weighs a couple of tons, and it is in fact a rhino. So this is the product. We got extra pockets on the outside on both sides. You open this guy up, and you find that on the inside we actually have a place to secure your water bottle in the bottom. So when you carry it, it forms the bottom of the bag. Kind of looks like a laptop cover as well. So this is the let's see, this is the licorice color. This one here, here's your package. See the kiwis on there, that's very cool. And this is the tangerine color. So again, same color, same trims. I didn't show you the package on the Sifaka, so I'll show you that one here. The Sifaka has a banana. Come on, Mr. Banana. There we go. There's Mr. Banana. So that's the lunch part of the program. Then we have the beverage part. In the beverage part, you start with water, because everybody does start with water somehow. So this is the manatee. In case you're not familiar with manatees, those are what are called sea cows, live down in Florida. This is the blue ice version, right? Very cool. It's got black on the inside, and then it also comes in. Here's a medium version. The small version is $12.99. This is the medium version in the tangerine color. That's $13.99. And then this is the tall version. And again, this is the eggplant. So that's $14.99. So these will insulate the bottles. Comes with a little carabiner on the back here, so it's easy to clip onto anything. Insulates the bottles. And also keeps the bottles from dripping, because a lot of these stainless bottles actually sweat. So when you put them down on something, if the water in them or whatever the beverage is cold, they sweat, perspire, if you need to say perspire. This keeps that from happening because of this design. Then we move from water to something a little more interesting, which is wine, and we have 2 different wine carriers. The number 1 wine carrier, which actually carries 2 bottles, so I'm going to talk about this one first. The number 1 carrier for 2 bottles. That's this one here, and this is called the bowhead. This one conveniently has 2 bottles of wine in it, so you can see how this works. They just slip right in like this, and not that remarkably, it looks a lot like our water bottles. So there you go, there's the same design. We put them side by side and back to back, And lo and behold, we've got 2 wine bottles in here. This is the bowhead, which is an endangered whale species. And this product is $19.99. Then we have the single bottle version. The single bottle version, for which I'll take out my Nevada County wine and I will insert into this bag, and I'll do so right here so you can see just how easy this is. Just like that. And now I've got a bottle of wine in there. You can see that. There's the way the packaging looks. Got a little corkscrew on there. And this one's called the finback whale. And the finback, as I said, is a whale. So there you've got the secret to our naming of these products. They're both named after whales. And I didn't show you the header card on the bowhead. It's got a little bit of wine pouring out of the bottle there. Very cool. So that's the whole story with all of our new products. Again, this is the blue ice color. This one over here is the eggplant color. I think these are going to be absolutely terrific, and I hope you all have a great time working with these. If these don't sell like crazy, boy, there is something wrong, because you can't even do this in neoprene. And we're talking about non-toxic. You could practically eat this stuff. Uses less energy, uses less petroleum, no chlorine, no PVCs, no formaldehydes, no phthalates. I mean, the list goes on and on of all the stuff that's not in this, that's probably in most of the neoprene out there. And if you ever wonder whether that's the case or not, you just go and you smell this and you go, wow, there's almost no smell to it at all. And that's because there's no solvent adhesives used in this material. But if you look at all that neoprene and all that other synthetic stuff out there, man, that stuff, you take a whiff of that and you really smelled something something significant. So that's kind of the distinction. Non-toxics, good for the environment, good for the humans, good for the people who make it out there.